Dewey, Dewey. Yes, the Happy Pig. This is the Happy Pig Farm. We are raising pigs for nonprofits. These pigs will be used by food banks in the Delaware Valley. If you'd like more information on this project, you can give us a call at 215-651-8329.
Yeah. Oh, we have a dog that looks like yours they are. Yeah, we have a dog that looks like mine. They're handsome. Hey, pig. Come on. It's just like my dog. Come on, pig. Frank's photos. Come on, right in with him. Here's an adventurous pig. Come on. Good boy. You got a big field to play in. Gotta make that first step. There we go. Big leap. They are really nice. Look at these little piggies.
Aren't they cute?
Oh, did he just come home? That's a neighbor. That's all right.
I'm Summer from Leading Sycamore Farm, and we raise all woodland pastured pork. And what that means is that currently pork today is commodity pork. It's raised on concrete. Our pigs are raised outside in the forest. They eat nuts. They get to root and do all these great natural behaviors, and they regenerate the ground. So it's great for the soil to have these pigs doing their natural work. We raise all heritage breeds, Gloucester Spots, American Guinea Hogs, and Cooney pigs, and we're located in Quakertown.
And what's your phone number?
My phone number is 267-688-7842.
Okay, well, thank you very much for delivering these pigs for us.
If you live next to a pig pen, you should call Highland Hill Farm at 215-651-8329. We sell the Green Giant Arborvitae, a very fast-growing arborvitae that will give you quick screening and buffering for pig pens. Call us at Highland Hill Farm. Thank you.